Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Larry, 704. What's cracking? Hey, yo, check it out, man. I got a couple jerseys in. Jenny NFL jerseys. Y'all know what it is. I had this one time before, man. It's that old Deion Sanders joint. Cowboys, y'all know I'm a Cowboy fan. Die hard, don't know nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta excuse the shaky camera work, one-handed. But yeah, that's that Deion. Everything stitched up. Y'all see that? Everything all stitched up, real nice. Yeah, so, and that's one I had took out already, but that's how the pack came. You know, everything bagged up. We got that one. The Raiders jump. We got Pittsburgh. We got another little Raiders jump. And then we got these for somebody. And we got the Big Ben, another Pittsburgh jump. Y'all give me a second, let me bust them open. Alright, I'm back with you, YouTube. This again, this the Raiders joint. Everything stitched up. Yeah, you can see it right there. Got that. Ain't no flower on this one. But they got this your boy Cooper. Raiders joint. Got the stitching on the Nike sign. Yeah. But these joints, they clean though. They clean, man. I swear they clean. And right here, that's the old school joint. Tim Brown, Raiders jersey. Sure. Again, man, y'all gotta excuse that shaky camera work. I'm recording this on my iPad, and I'm doing it one hand. But that's that Steelers joint. Clear it up a little bit. There you go. That's the big boy jersey right there. That's a size 60. See that right there? Yeah, that's that big boy. Size 60. It's the 83. Patch stitched up. Number stitched up. That's your boy Miller right there. Everything clean, man. Last but not least, that Big Ben. Once again, a big boy jersey. Man, needed a 60. Yeah, Jenny Loop, man, that's the only, like one of the only sites I know that got the size 60 jersey. There might be more out there, but that's the only one I know of. Again, everything stitched up. The Roethlisberger. Yeah, everything clean though, man. Shout out to Jenny Loop. Hey, shout out to everybody out there too, man. All the reviewers. Y'all know who y'all are, man. I rock with everybody. You know what I'm saying? I got another video coming soon, man. I've been supposed to do a couple of kicks picked up from Ratchet. Shout out to Rat. Hey, man, y'all ever want to do some business, man, look that dude up, man. He get down. He a man about